Hey everybody, welcome to the week 3 discussion board. So, as I said in my weekly video, we're going to be getting into the Microsoft Office suite pretty much for the rest of the term, starting with Outlook. So this week we're talking about Microsoft Outlook, which is Microsoft's email platform. Now, hopefully you find soon enough, or quickly enough I should say, that it's far more than just an email platform. This is really an information management software platform, if you will. You're going to be doing you can do a lot with Microsoft Outlook. I know personally, I use it for a lot more than just emails. That's primarily what I do, but I can set up meetings. I can have Skype meetings through Outlook. I can do all sorts of different kinds of management of information that is sent to me from students and from faculty and colleagues and all sorts of things like that. So hopefully you're finding soon enough that it's far more than just sending and receiving emails. So in this scenario, we're trying to help somebody who is struggling a little bit with this platform, with this software. So it's up to you to try to give this person some tips and tricks. What kinds of things do people need to know about Outlook in order to use it effectively? Now, you may want to talk about some of the features, right? It's got a great calendar feature, and you can use Skype for Business, and you can do all sorts of really nifty things with it. But I think just as important, if not more important than that, is how do you use it effectively? How do you use it professionally? Remember, everything about our time here at Bryan Stratton is to get you better prepared professionally for a certain field, right? So with a tool like this, it's all about how do I use it effectively and professionally? So one of the things I think you should talk about is what makes for a good professional email. Essentially, what makes for good email etiquette, okay? So how does an email differ from a text, for instance? Or how does an email to your boss differ from an email to your mom or to your friend or something like that? Are there certain things that every single formal email should have? Are there certain things that every single formal email should not have? So think about those kinds of things. Think about how to do this properly. The other thing is, starting this week, we're going to have additional threads by me delivered to you guys or are opened up to you in the discussion board. These are usually fun threads, things that get you to think differently about different subjects. Since this is a computer class and we deal with internet technology, very often usually, the topics are related to the internet and social media and internet ethics and things like that. So just be aware and keep your eyes peeled for an additional discussion thread. Any posts you make in that thread count for your total post count for the week, which is kind of nice. And sometimes, maybe not always, but sometimes you might be able to earn some extra credit, which is pretty sweet. Okay, so just keep an eye out for that. It's not required to participate in it, but hopefully you will, because I think it makes the classes far more interesting. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Looking forward to seeing what your posts are all about this week, folks. Thanks.